Today we're looking at the 2026 GMC Sierra 3500 SLE dually in a Summit White. This one is powered by a 6.6 liter Duramax diesel engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Inside you get these jet black cloth interior seats with our power seat controls here at the bottom left. Of course, up top we do have our leather wrapped heated steering wheel, and inside you'll find our infotainment system with built-in Google Maps to go alongside our wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Right below you'll find our push-to-start ignition, as well as this vehicle does come equipped with keyless entry. We also do have our heated seat controls, trailer brake controls, dual climate controls, USB-C and USB charge ports, and our middle console here with 2 cup holders, additional storage, as well as this can be turned into a third seat when needed. Making our way along the interior here, if we take a look at the driver's side door, we have our automatic power windows, and right above that we have our power adjustable side mirror controls. By our handle we'll find our power locks, park brake, drive modes, and automatic high beam controls. And if you take a look here at the right hand side of the steering wheel, you'll find our voice recognition to go alongside our menu selector here in the middle. And on the left hand side you'll find our forward collision alert, cruise control settings, and our heated steering wheel controls. If we throw this vehicle into reverse, you'll see it does come equipped with a rear view camera. And last but not least, if you take a look up top, you'll find our universal home garage opener and our power controls for our rear power sliding window. In the back you still got our jet black interior cloth seats. Plenty of legroom and space for anyone sitting back here. Down below you'll find USB-C and USB charge ports. You also get AC outlet, 2 vents, and behind each front seat, cubbies with additional storage. Speaking of storage, you also get additional storage here inside the middle of the seat, as well as underneath. Last but not least, of course, we have our cup holders in the middle and our rear power sliding window. Checking out the exterior here on the SLE, of course, you have our chrome accented front grille with our GMC badging in the middle, black tow hooks along the bottom. You also get LED headlights and fog lamps along the side. Michelin tires, black accent power side mirrors with blinkers integrated along the back, chrome accent running boards, keyless entry handles, tint in the rear window, side assist steps, corner assist steps on each side, and our spare tire underneath. Opening up the tailgate here, it'll come down no problem to lead you to our spray-on bed liner and our 120 volt outlet here in the corner. And that is our 2026 GMC Sierra 3500 SLE in a Summit White. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.